Okay, so we have the triangle drawing. The next thing is to bisect any of the two angles and then use where the two bisection meet as the center of the circle to be inscribed. So to bisect this, we place the stick point on this edge here. Then make an arc. Make an arc there. Where the arc meets the line, take the stick point of the compass there. Okay, there right now. We'll make an arc in the center. Take the stick point in this place and cut the previous arc. That is the bisection of that angle. We'll bisect this angle too. And then use the stick point at the center, make an arc, and take the stick point here. Make an arc, take the stick point here. Cut this arc. Again with your ruler. Now when these two bisection of this angle meet, we use it as the center of the circle to be inscribed. We place the stick point of the compass at that point of intersection. Extend the compass, the pencil point of the compass to touch this side of the triangle. And with this, we can draw the circle. There's a little whatever there. I think we are there. Because our construction is not perfect, because is missing. If it's paper, it will be much easier. Using a digital whatever. Let's manage it like that. It came out a little bit here because of our construction is not 100% perfect. But with paper, you should be able to get it accurate. That is how to inscribe a circle within a triangle.